Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix common upload errors in cPanel. So this is a troubleshooting guide for common errors encountered when uploading files to cPanel or your WordPress website, such as file size limits, timeouts, or permission issues. So let's dive into that. So you should be familiar with this interface of the cPanel. So first we'll go to the website we uploaded yesterday. So this is the website we uploaded yesterday, the blog websites we uploaded using WordPress. So now, if you're new to web design or WordPress, there are some common errors that you may encounter as a web developer or as a web designer. So that will be what I'll be showing you here. Even if I don't show you all, but at least I'll show you the common ones you are likely to encounter. So let's go back to our file cPanel interface. So we'll be going to our file manager. But before that, let me just quickly show you an error. Let me quickly show you an error. So this is the website we uploaded yesterday, and this is the admin of the website. So let's go back to the dashboard so you can see. So this is the dashboard of the website we uploaded yesterday. So let's assume you want to upload a picture or a video into this website. So let's go to the media. So this is the media page. So these are default pictures that are already in the website. So let's assume you want to maybe add or change this image that you're seeing here. You are meant to, and this is the image as you can see. So you're meant to upload this image before you now change it on your website. So you click on add new media file. So you can see here, you see drop files to upload or select files. So what this is telling you is to either you select the file from your computer or you can drag and drop a file you want to upload. So and looking down here, you can see we have the maximum file upload size to be 2 megabytes. So a very good website requires high quality images or pictures, and which these pictures or might range from 5 megabytes or 6, 10 and above. Although there are plugins in WordPress that can help you shrink those image files to lesser kilobytes that can also be rendered on your web page and still retain the same quality, but will be compressed to reduce the load on your server. So this you're seeing here now is a problem because a situation where you want to upload a picture that is higher. So let's try uploading a picture. So let me select file and quickly select this video, for example. So this is what I'm going to get. This, you can see this is the name of the file I'm trying to upload. They said the file exceeds the maximum upload size for this website. Dismiss error. So what it's saying is that what we are trying to upload is actually higher than what we have here. Now, going back to, let's check the file size of what we want to upload. So I think I can quick look. Okay, I don't think I can check that from here. No, I don't. I can check it from here. I'll have to check it from my file manager. Well, okay, let's use this file. You can see this is 3 megabytes. So let's select this, for example. So this is also what it says, maximum upload size exceeded. So what this is telling us now that is that we need to increase the upload size for our website. So where are you going to do that from? That's the question. So you can do that in two ways. It's either you do it through the .ht file. If you're new to web design, you should check what a ht file means, but I'm going to be showing you. But if you know what it is, that's also a plus. So this is where a .ht file is located. So in our file manager, this is our file manager, remember. So when we click on file manager, it brings us to this place where our files are located. So this is the WP folder we created yesterday when we created the WordPress website. So this is where all the files are located and all the folders as well. So this is the .ht file. So this is a very important file in WordPress. So let's quickly check what the file does. So this is, I just quickly browse this on Google. So fixing upload problems on HTSS WordPress. So let's quickly click on this. So let me scroll down to, let me scroll back up. Let's check what a HTSS file is. So you can see here, what is the HTSS file? The HTSS file is a hidden configuration file that plays a vital role in how WordPress site operates. It's essentially a set of instructions for the Apache web server, the software that is typically run by the WordPress hosting. So this is what this .htSS file is. So it's a very important file in your WordPress website. So we are going to delete the file and see what happens to our website. Let's see how powerful this file they say is. So, but before that, I'm going to show you how to increase this. So it's either you increase it through your .htSS file here inside this. I'm going to be opening this file. So let's click on edit. So this is what the file looks like. This is the content of this file. This was created on default. So if you want to add extra permissions or what you want your server to do, you can do that inside here. So by writing an extra permission. So whether you want your file upload size to be more than 2 megabytes, 3 megabytes, 6 megabytes, you can write that inside here as a code. So we are going to be checking where some other developers has already written theirs, and we can also see how theirs look like and see what we can get from them. So, but before that, let's quickly go to our cPanel. This is where we'll be increasing the upload file size easily if you're not familiar with the .htSS. So that will be for advanced or intermediate web developers. So let's quickly search for PHP. So you search for PHP in your cPanel and you see select PHP version. So you click on it. So it's loading. It's loading. It's open now. So right now you can see current PHP version is 7.4. So it's saying that this server is running on 7.4 currently. So there are also other PHP versions. If you decrease it, your website wouldn't load up. If you increase it so much to a version that is not compatible with some plugins, it wouldn't also load up. So these are also permission problems that you might encounter. But this is not why we are here now. So let's click on options. So if you click on options, you scroll down. So these are all permissions, as you can see. Display errors. If you want the error that you have on your web page or cPanel to be displayed anytime, you can check that button. Else you can leave it. So you can see memory limit, maximum input time, max execution time. You can see post max size. You can see upload max file size. So so you can see the maximum size in bytes of an uploaded file. So use shortcut. Okay, this is just explaining what that means. So, but this is the file, the particular upload file size we're going to increase for our cPanel or WordPress. So as you can see, these are other memory locations you can also choose. So I'll be increasing it to 128 megabytes. So as you can see, success, it has been updated. So once I go back to our website and refresh this page and click on add new media file, it's increased to 8 megabytes, which is also small. I don't know why it did that. Okay, this is the post max size. So let's also increase this. Let's give this maybe also 128 megabytes too, and increase the upload size to 1 gig. I think that's good. Gig. So let's go back to our website and refresh our page and click. So as you can see, it has been increased to 128 megabytes. So I think this is actually taking the settings of this or this. So let's actually change this to C. Let's change this to 1 gig and change this also. Okay, let's just leave it and refresh to find out the particular one that affects this. Refresh again, click. It didn't change, so I think it should be this. So let's put this back to 128 megabytes and change this to. Okay, I think it ends in 128 megabytes here. Well, let's leave it like this for now. So this is what the hosting has given us on default. So this is also good. Now, if we now select a file that we want to upload, let's now select this video we tried to upload before. So it says the video exceeds. So that means the video we tried to upload is actually more than 128 megabytes. We still need to find a way to increase the memory size of our upload. So I'll be changing this to, let me change this to 256 megabytes and change this to 64 megabytes. And refresh. Okay, 64 megabytes. So right now, this is what affects the upload size here, not even this. And the highest upload size is 128 megabytes from here. So let's leave it like that. So what we'll have to do is either we compress our video or we upload the video to YouTube and serve the video from YouTube. So the memory wouldn't tell on your website. That also helps in reducing slow loading, lazy loading in your website. But right now, if we select another file, let's select this. That should be more than 2 megabytes. And you can see our file is uploading and the file just uploaded. So that's this uploading of images or videos on our website. Then another one I'll be showing you is this .txt access. So this file is very important. So let's quickly close this file. Let me close it. Now, let me delete this file. Let's see what happens. Let me remove. So to trash, On checking this, immediately deletes from hard disk and cannot be recovered. So let's leave it checked so we can restore it. So let's remove. So file has been removed. Now let's refresh our website. Let's refresh. Okay, so our website is still loading actually. Okay, now it's not loading anymore. Let's go back. The contact's not loading. Let's go to the home. Okay, the home is loading. The home page is loading, but other pages are not loading. So it says 404 not found. The resource requested could not be found in this server. So this happened just because we deleted the .ht access file. So let's quickly restore this file. So we can find that in our trash bin. So this is our trash bin. So this is the .ht access file. Let's restore. So file has been restored. So if we go back to our website and refresh, voila, you can see it's loading up now just because we put back the .ht access file. So whenever you upload your WordPress site and you don't see a .ht access file, just know that your website wouldn't be loading up. Or if your .ht access file configurations is wrong, you know that it's likely not to open also. So let's go back to public.html and go back to the WP. So there's the WP. WP, this is where our website is. So this is .ht access file, as you can see. So this is a very important file. So just take note of this. What else would I be showing you? Showing you about permissions, showing you about file size, and okay, session timeout. So about timeout actually happens maybe when you have too many redirects in your website happening, maybe based on your configurations were wrong, you didn't configure your website very well, and it's giving you a steady redirection. That happens, that's a timeout. I don't know. Right now, we're not having any, but if you encounter such, you're also likely to increase your memory. So this is where you can do that in your cPanel on default. Okay, this is, okay. Okay, let's look at this. So we can see common issues to fix in WordPress.ht access file. So this is fixing 500 internal server error. So this is a general error message that indicates the server encountered an unexpected problem and couldn't be fulfilled and couldn't fulfill your request. Okay, so this is also another kind of error you might encounter. So this also has to do with sometimes updating your WordPress version or upgrading your PHP version or setting the permission of your .ht access, or your website doesn't have a .ht access file. So you can see this is what we have here on default when you create it. This is what you get, which is what we have in ours as well. So another thing I'll be showing you is, let's go to settings and go to permalinks. So this is also another error you can encounter. So let's go to the website. So as you can see, if I click on contacts, it's going to give us a contact extension. And if I click on services, it's going to give us a services extension. And if I click on blog, to give us a blog extension. Now, What does this permalink do? Let me select plain. So let's just select plain and see what happens. Save changes. Now, let's refresh this page. So let's click on about. So this was happened. It's going to show you the URL, but using the ID of the page, not the name. So the ID of the about page is 36. The ID of the contact page is 37. The home page doesn't have an ID. The ID of the services is 38 and the ID for the blog is 34. Now, if I change it to this custom structure, so let's select all the tags, the year, the month, the day, the hour, minutes, second, post ID, post name, category, and author, and save. Now let's go back to our website and refresh. Now this is what we are getting. We can't access this. We'll go back, click on this, click on this. So this is what it's giving us. What it's doing right now is that for the fact I selected all these tags, if it's a post, if it's a page, it will render the link to the page. And if it's a post, let's go to a post. So this, let's click on read more. Okay, this doesn't work. Let's go to blog actually. Okay, these are blog posts. So let's click on a blog here. So this is what it does. So this is what the link looks like now. It's checking the year it was uploaded. This is the folder it is in. So these are folders, the year. This might be the month, the day, I think this should be the time or so. Then the name of the blog post and the category. So what did I just show you now? This, the year, the month, the day, the hour, minute, second, post ID, post name, category, and the author's name. So that's what this does. So if you're having issues with your link redirections or permission to access other links and it's not working out, you can also fix that error in your WordPress settings here in the permalink. So I think this video should end here right now. So if there is anything you didn't really understand, please do well to reach out to me, or you can drop a comment in the comment section. I will reply you there. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.